Hello my girls and gays and ladies and gays and girls and gays and ladies and gents. How are we doing today? It is a fine day to be doing well. So shall we do well together? The answer is yes. It surely has been a while since I've filmed. When I said I was gonna start posting consistently, I guess I lied, and for that I apologize. But we're here now and that's all that matters. As you can probably tell by the title, today's video I'm gonna be taking my brother and exploiting him for views. I'm just kidding. Am I? I don't know, you tell me. My little brother Andrew, I'm sure many of you know him because you all are in love with him apparently. I'm gonna dress him up for you guys because I figured we could all enjoy that. Am I right, lads? So my brother Andrew is a freshman in high school. You know, he dresses like any other young high school athlete child. A lot of Nike, a lot of sneakers, sweatpants, Vans, whatever. I feel like he deserves to expand his horizons a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can dress him how I like boys to be dressed, which is like, you know, kind of like skater indie, like sickly white boy looking, you know what I'm saying? So Andrew's out on a bike ride right now with his pals because it's like the first nice day in 6 months because, you know, New York vibes, am I right? So while he's on this bike ride, I'm gonna go through my clothes and try and pick outfits. So shall we make the criteria for like how I would define indie skater fashion, am I right? What I see is a lot of chains, loose fit pants that aren't jeans really, a lot of layered clothing like mock necks, and then like jackets over them, Vans or Converse. I don't own any Converse. Andrew doesn't know how to skate either, so I don't even know how I'm gonna present this clothing or like present his outfits to y'all. I'm only gonna do a few outfits because my brain do not be working efficiently. We're gonna try our best. Yeah, I'm gonna go look at my closet and figure this out. And I will see you guys when he returns and I tell him what we're filming because he still doesn't know. The star of my show doesn't even know it yet. We got Andrew. Andrew, don't look mad, please. Andrew, how's your day? How's your day biking for an extra like 3 hours and he's Oh, it's Andrew's friends he was biking with. Oh! Stop making those noises, Andrew. Oh! Oh my god. Okay, so now we're gonna go film Andrew wearing these clothes. I just had him try and put on one, it did not work. And then I already know one of the two that's left is not gonna work either. So really we're just giving Andrew one outfit. Share your thoughts on your fashion sense. Put it on you.
It's
Hold
bad.
it at both of us.
It's bad. Nice, you passed it.
Oh, I did pass it.
You fucking idiot. You're terrible driving.
Yes. Did anything funny happen when you were biking today, Andrew?
No.
Can you at least make something outside some content?
Don't face it towards me.
Why? When you're changing?
I don't want it. I look like an idiot. You like those kids from like 2013 that do that.
This did not work out as I thought it would.
This is so ugly. You knew it was.
Can I do a ooh TD of me? Via both of us.
Ooh, TD.
Ooh woo TD? Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Shoes, they are Air Force Ones. These pants, I believe, are from Zaffle, but I'm not completely sure. And then this shirt is thrifted and cropped. And my earrings are Forever 21. Shall I turn it to you, Andrew?
This is from my sister's closet. This is from my sister's closet. This? These? I got like a week ago. The chain, I didn't know how to wear.
So Andrew put it like that.
See, you can't see it.
Andrew's gonna fall. Oh my god.
Ow! Me and my stego nut. I'm stuck again. No, you ain't.
Start running.
Look how slow my leg is in comparison to my arms. Stego nut. I hope I hit my head on this thing. Not the first time getting dropped on my head.
Andrew, how is your freshman year of high school? It's almost over.
Yeah. Where's my phone?
You said you just dropped it earlier. Tyler, creator boy.
Oh, it's so far down my ass. I don't care if the gluing is free. I still don't want it. I love sunflower vibes. I love Mac DeMarco and Tame Impala. I've been vegan for the past 5 years. Started before Amber. Except I have a few exceptions. Meat. Meat and dairy. Sometimes honey. Other than that, I'm vegan.
Can you say you drink chamomile tea at night when you read?
I drink laxatives. I love my laxative tea. I drink slim tea.
Fit tea?
The fit nut.
What does that mean?
The fit nut. The yoga nut. I be vibing. Rest in peace, mango pods. balls. They're my favorite thing.
What'd you think about
at the club. Bombs up. When I first met you, couldn't get enough.
Can you say this summer I'm just trying to transcend this mortal plane?
This is mortal plane?
Yeah, can you say that?
This summer, I'm just trying to transcend into this mortal plane.
Not into it, Andrew.
Oh.
Out of it.
Out of it?
Yeah. Why would you transcend?
Back in, baby. This summer, I'm just trying to transcend in this mortal plane.
You keep saying it wrong.
That doesn't make any sense. This summer, I'm just trying to transcend this mortal plane.
Very nice. Andrew, what Minecraft mob are you?
Gotta be a freaking spider.
A spider? That's actually kind of funny. I like the jellies.
Ew. The jellies?
The jellies. I'm on these can't sleep vibes. Too many mobs.
Look at us go separate ways and then come together.
Kind of like a metaphor, isn't it?
Except that Dwayne The Rock Johnson never gets to see that one dude again.
That's not Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Oh shit, Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel.
Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Sicko vibe mode. I'm Latina. I'm Latina. I'm Latina. I'm Latina. I'm Latina. I stan Latina. I stan Latañas. I stan Latañas.
Can you do something as an actor to be like, catch y'all on the flippy flip?
Catch y'all on the flipping side.
You're flexible. Climb up. Andrew, what the hell?
That gave me whiplash.
This is the same exact shot I got of Ashley when she did the backflip and fell. I think my face is bleeding. I just thought this would be good vlog content. It's me hitting my face on the ground because people really like that.
Just
I'm gonna put the rocks on your face like she.
No thanks. Wake up in the morning.
Oh, my clothes.
Oh, your clothes.
Okay.
It's really dirty. All right.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
try
like
it again.
wet, Andrew.
No, peep. Oh. What's this? Watch this.
Andrew, stop. Come on.
I'm a freaking beast lord. These kids fully drew a penis.
I woke up in beast mode with my girl that's Beauty in the Beast though. Bitch, I fight these.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Even though it did not turn out as I intended because none of my clothes worked.
Subscribe.
No. Alrighty, we'll see y'all next time. Adios, amigos. Bye.
Bye. Bye.